Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix the critical error in WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, since I can't replicate this error, I'll be using this article to help you guys. And usually what happens is you have either a faulty plugin or any other faulty elements in your site, such as a faulty custom theme or something like that. So pretty much what you need to do is just diagnose the problem and fix the plugin in question. Now, once you get this critical error in your WordPress, you will be sent an email to the email of your administrator account where you'll be given a link to the debug version of the site where you will be able to see the errors at hand. Rather recovery mode, but not debug. You will get this email. It'll tell you exactly what is causing the error, as you can see here, and it'll give you the link to the recovery mode version to go ahead and disable that theme or the plugin that is at fault. So pretty much all you have to do is just click on this link, go to your site, and disable whatever is causing your error. Either disable the plugin or just change the theme to something else so that your site is functioning well. Other than that, you can go ahead and this is what it looks like, by the way. You'll get this notification once you're in the recovery mode. Then you'll be able to deactivate the plugin that is causing issues or the theme, and after that, once you're done, just exit recovery mode and you should be good. Other than that, you can fix the error manually. Just go ahead and deactivate all the WordPress plugins, go into your files, go into public HTML and go into WP content and rename the plugins folder to something else, and then go ahead and activate all your files or all your plugins manually once you load into the site afterward, and enable them one by one to locate whichever plugin is causing the problem. You should use the email. It's a much easier way. However, this works if you are not able to. Other than that, you can also switch to the default theme just by going into your files, and you can also go ahead and rename the file or delete the theme file, and you can also upload the default theme. Just download whichever theme you're using and upload those files instead of the ones that you're currently using, and that should be pretty much it. Other than that, you can also install WordPress or reinstall WordPress if you have a local client-side version. And yeah, once you install that or reinstall that, you can also upload other default WordPress files to your WordPress files using a manager or FTP, and after you do, you can overwrite them, and that should be good. And that is pretty much it. You can also edit your WP config file, edit this here line of code, and replace that code with this code, and that will enable your debug mode. When after you enter your WP admin, you'll be able to locate whichever parse error is happening. Other than that, you can also increase the PHP memory limit. Just go into WordPress config and change or add this line of code and add whichever size is best for you, and that should be it. Also, try updating your PHP. Go into tools and site health and update any PHP versions that have errors. And you can also hire someone to fix it if you don't know what's happening and if none of these work. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.